Ake ubingelele baba udokotela baba wesizwe bawujabulela umfana omhlanga ngathi Khehle Mzukulu kaMancengesi angisoli futhi angixolisi. This is baba udokotela inyanga umelaphi ndabuko. Ake ngikhulume nje, my qualification is changing now. Last time I was standard 4, now I'm form 1. Now I'm standard 6. My qualification is standard 6. I only got standard 6 by education. Thereafter, stop persecuting me about my English. How about Dr. You can't spell this? I can't even, I don't know the definition. Yeah, abbreviation as SARS. Because if you are standard 1, like form 1, there is no way that you'll be able to know this. There is no way. But this is Babu Tawatela. Babu says Babu Chablan Fanum Khelam Lungu. Gine topic 80. Let us unarm our youth. Unarm our youth. Because our youth is heavily armed. No. There's no country like this. Our youth is heavily armed. By far, in SADC, our youth is armed. I have to remember those people. I have to remember those people when I was waking my way up. When I was waking my way, not walking, waking my way up. Sebenza into enkupulis. I have to remember those people who were holding the ladder. Those people who were holding the step ladder as I was going up. There were people who left whatever they were doing. They used both of their hands in order to hold the ladder that helped me to reach up here, up here, up here, up here. I remember very well those people as if it's yesterday. If it was not because of them, ngabuba budokotela akekho namhlanje la. Kunabantu abangenza kayilento engiyiyona. As much as nawe as a nurse kunabantu abakusiza bekhokhela imfundo yakho. Owanye wawulala nabo ungafuni as long as ukukhokhela kunika imali encwadi. Uyakwazi lokho. Njoba nawe ubuka le video nje uloko ubhala abantu amathikiti. Kunabantu abakusiza ukuthi uchitha ama result fitness. Uyabazi ungazi ukuthi kwenzeka izolo lokho. Labo bantu ufuna sibakhumbule. Nje uhleli nalo nkosikazi wakho namhlanje nibuka le video kusofa kunomuntu wakusiza ukuthi uthole lo makoti ohleli naye namhlanje. Hey usibani hayi shame. Athi futhi wena hayi shame ngangayitsheli ukuthi ngoba namhlanje hleli kanje. Labo bantu ufuna ubakhumbule. Empilweni yami ke namba abantu abangilekelele kakhulu ukungibambela istebhiso. Kunobaba angizobasho ngegaba nje. Baningi kakhulu kodwa ngizosho abambalwa that ring in my head. Kunobaba Lady Smith eMnambithi uyiNazaretha insizwa nje sindala yinde ine ngafika lapha inemoto ezo2 Mercedes nje obehle egcikeni. Nehlahla esikhulu uma ungena ngakhona mase kuba nesango lokuzakhela eliboshwa ngocinga ngathi lenkomo usungena ngaphakathi isigodlo sakhe ngapha umuzi wakhe ngapha kanjalo ngelanga nibazowushisa shem isigodlo sakhe ngafika ngamnika 20,000 yangamnika 20,000 ngifika isigodlo sakhe neshisile wabonga wathi yabona ndodana lento yenza kumina ufuna ngikufundise lesigubhu ke lesi wangifundisa ke lesigubhu umkhulu bathi umkhulu untshingila umkhulu untshingila use 8 fal bathi setholeni kodwa nje kuthiwa nje se8 file la ndawo lana mufika lapha ezitolo uza etfile mufika lapha kunento engathi i-shopping center neBedavers musu kuno right ongena lapha ula left ongena musu ungena ngalo left tick uma ungena lapha kunomsanganyana wenyanga nje nanwele eqaqeni lapha vesa akukho umsebenzi wayo ibhalela ukuthi siyinyanga bla 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 uyayidlula ke lapha uhambe lemxhasi iziphele uzuqala indawo semakhaya cabanga ukuthi uyona isector sethu kodwa kwamakhaya uthi musu ufika kulo makhaya ke lapha musu uzobona la kunawo Jojo tank bamanzi khona musu ungena futhi ngo right usuyehlisa ke imoto ngoba umgaqo ngasesikhathi siyathi nova msukuba mumbe kakhulu lo nyanga kuthiwa ke ubaba untshingila kuzothi la eDube village ingakabi khona imall eDube village kwakusathi usebhambayi nje kudayisa inkomo ngapha nansi eDube village nanka ama robot ubungena lapho kukhuphuke umuya kulonyanga kwakuthiwa ubaba uvalela wempondo waselusikisiki uyena kubaba futhi waba negalelo elikhulu empilweni yami elikhulu ngoba inyanga eziningi because of my complexion uma unebala empofu uthatha kancane isikhathi abantu abakuthatha serious yena wangithatha serious kakhulu lo baba loyana ngeke ngimkhohle kwakuyikhehla lelidala kwakuthiwa nje ubaba ukhulu uvalela amampondo bayamazi abantu baseDube village mebebona le video bazomkhumbula lo baba ngoba angiwathanda manga mina into yomsangano yabo angiwathanda manga thereafter mase kuzoba khona indoda abaningi ngeke bazibayazike kahle ibila emakethe kulabantu ekuthiwa uchitha la emakethe wakuthiwa umtolo yangemukela le ndoda kakhulu yangemukela u2002 yangithatha ngisondeze eduzane kakhulu bebambisene nendoda okuthiwa umnguni umnguni usekhona ke nosemzimkhulu babambisana nje ngami babambisana ngami kanti babambisana ngafikela kumtolo mina wangihlanza wathi ngaphakathi ngoba umuntu olengasemgaqweni wathi ngaphakathi emakethe kunensizwa okuthiwa umnguni wangihlanza futhi nawo umnguni wangemukela kahle shema ngemukela kahle lansizwa it was 2002 and they make me kwaze kwaba kushaya u2007 bengipheka nje benginika yonke amaqiniso kamadakeni imfihlo zonke nezipeleti zonke beyichitha phansi kuyimina ngiyidala zonke ngiyibhekisa ngakimina badlala elikhulu kakhulu iqiniso kuzoba khona impondo ekuthiwa ubhungelisha uhlongwe lela mpondo lahamba all the way out in order to help me ngathi mase ngibona le mpondo lento elenzile ngalihambisela igrosa ngalihambisela nesiklabhu ngobonga nje le mpondo into lalingenzele yona la ngikhanda impondo lakithi bakithi la ngikhanda kakhulu futhi hayi kancane kakhulu la ngikhanda impondo la nginika isigubhu la ngifundisa isigubhu akuthiwa uMahomed engangisebenza ngathi eSalisbury Center kuze kushawa u10 ebusuku lelo mpondo kuthiwa ubhungu seClermont kwaShembe lelo mpondo kuladlala enkulu indima empilweni yami kuzoba umkhulu uManzini oseDaneli my goodness hayi lela khehla lelana akukho elingakwenzanga ukuthi ngibe ilento engiyona namhlanje ukukhumbula ngifika kulona 2008 ngihamba nomfana kaMpofana ekuthiwa umduduzi uthiwa umuntu owayisiyoni ngifika kena kwanhlanhla lathi lekhehla bekushaya u2010 lathi sengizokunika isigaba manje la ozoba nayo yonke into emhlabeni oyifunayo la ngithatha la ngisa ezinkwazi beach sasiphethe inkukhu newine hayi inkukhu newine negoloko iwine elibovu nogoloko omhlophe isminoff nenkukhu lafela ngigeza lapho olwandle lafela ngigeza lekhehla ngigeza lathi la ngitshela ukuthi kusukela namhlanje ayikho into engizube nayo emhlabeni oyifunayo indeed namhlanje into ezangifuna ngifuna then kuzoba khona insizwa ekuthiwa uDr Kunene uMalwane useSwazini ke yena ke endaweni yasemkhizweni ngasemzini wenkulu khona indawo kuthiwa ikaHoho emkhizweni mase kuzoba khona ke umuzi wenkosi umswati ngapha ke kunomuzi walonsizwa ke leyo ke ukunene ke wangivulela amanye amabhuku lawayana wangivulela amaqiniso kunamaqiniso ke aziwa amaswazi wanginika ngase ngaba yilento engiyona namhlanje ke ile ndoda leyana ke ngahamba ngaye eMalawi endaweni yaseChitente hayi zabo le nyanga lezi ngihamba kuzona uma ungabuza ukuthi kuphi eChitente ngathi ayazi bakutshela lawo mangochi ngazi kuphi kodwa uyibuza ukuthi uyakwazi eChitente athi hayi asiyazi le ndawo ithatha phi mase ngithi nayi iGooglish muye eChitente iBlantyre uyayidlula iLilonge uyayidlula umzuzu uyawudlula musu semzuzu uyabuya ke 52 km usuza kuphi ke manje eNkatha Bay mufika eNkatha Bay kune roadblock amaphoyisa lapho uyayiyeka la roadblock awungeni ngayo uthatha uright ungangena eNkatha Bay uthatha uright musu uhamba 18 km uyodlula ihlahla zerubber kuthiwa ama rubber trees lapha kunendoda bekuthiwa Dr Paul wavula amaBhayibheli serious ngezinto esizenzayo namhlanje wavula ama suitcase aneqiniso ngento esizenzayo namhlanje ngafike ngathatha ngase ngabuye abantu ke laba abadlala indima kumina kungebona ke bodwa abaye ngesibabale bayimfihlo kukhona abazimfihlo kakhulu abangale kwentaba bayimfihlo nje kakhulu angikwazi ukubalanda ngalezi ngithola imvumo yabo angikwazi ukubalanda but bazimfihlo kusho ukuthi ke abantu abangibambela istebhiso labayani kakhulu ngingaba nginehlazo makuthiwa ngibabali ngabe nginehlazo elimbi ngabo labantu engibashoyo bangazi mina ngoDumsane bangamazi ukuba udokotela bangazi mina ngoZuma bengamazi ukuba udokotela abantu ke labakambambela istebhiso babudokotela bayosizwa ujabule mfana omhle njengamkhetha ake singeneni la yekani uba emotional phela enze ngomjwayela kabi nje kukhona yeka nje uba emotional uTrump as a president of America he is putting his country first he is doing good he is doing good and he is doing good in a sense that even to suspend usizo lama ARVs South Africa is doing good sahlala siwumkhandlu abelapha bendabuko 2012 ne-Department of blah 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 saphinde futhi sahlela umhlangano no Minister of Education ubaba uDlomo esasizoba nawe eTruro House wangafika wathumela umuntu oyi-junior level kakhulu ngathi mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma naye kwakunembuzo engizombuza nangakwazi ukumphendula ngalondlela besifuna thina uminister hayi umuntu osebenza office lika minister lento yokuthi i-research yamakhambi esintu bangayivumeli bancame ukuthi bahambe boncetheza imali yama-ARVs i-AIDS eSouth Africa it's been around for more than 30 years ayikho i-research edlula ku-10 years by far ayikho i-research okusho ukuthi sina 3 decades asifuni ukuphatha into zethu ngesandla sithi indaba into edala lokho leyo ayikho into edala lokho it because sicontrolwa kakhulu namhlanje siphethe amakhambi asetshenziswayo in the extraction of synthetic medication lo makhambi ase-Africa lo makhambi ase-South Africa i-South Africa iyodwa wena u-understand ucabanga into ucabanga hayi ngikhuluma nawe phela i-South Africa iyodwa inamithi amakhambi ase-South Africa uyeke lo msangano ocabangayo umucabanga ngenyanga sinamakhambi more than 38,000 are researched and documented isifo sini lesi singeke sikwazi ukwenza i-research emakhambini awu-38,000 ukuthi ngeke sikwazi ukulapha lesifo izinyanga has been abused zikhishiswe imithi yazo ithiwa isiwa iyohlolwa inyanga ingasayiniswanga i-MOU inyanga ingasayinisanga lutho inyanga ingenziwanga even i-applyele i-patent ukuthi besidinga i-MAU sifuna i-NDA non-disclosure agreement azikho inyanga zichashazwe kakhulu iwona abelungu labase-America akade belaba bezuthi usibani nami angifuni usesegama la laba kade kuyibona bephethe le mali ebeyisupplywa i-America la to fund i-research on HIV and TB to fund i-research on HIV and TB as siza labantu laba abaless than 10 million kubantu abawu 65 million for 150 billion in rents that's too much imali edliwa abantu abawu2 phela we got proof into ebezenziwa eGate 9 Innovation Center we got proof professor abathize beresigna emva kudla imali zezinyanga asicabangi professor professor of biochems beresign professor of pharmacology beresigna beresign yini ama-vets resign because kunemali asebeyidlile ku-applyelwa izimali emagameni ezinyanga methi bayothenga ama-culture e-America ngo-12,000 bathenga ifridge bafake lento lapha efridge benza inyanga iphukuphuku uTrump wenze kahle kakhulu because we are the best by far in all resources beside oil into ongayicabanga ithola lesa e-Africa beside oil why we are still allowing to be exploited kangaka ngithi mina uTrump wenze kahle angifuni ukukubuza ukukhuluma ngale stokfela lesi enidlalayo set-BRICS ngifunda ukukhuluma leyo nto mina one of the president engimusho ngafuna approacha ukuthi ake kukhulunywe nalabafana khona labantu ekuthiwa ilabafana ngisho ukuthi obani nansi research sinayo kungasizakala abantu lana and thereafter I was blocked. When I was in Arcadia, I was advised, Babu Dokotela, we advise you to stop following these people, otherwise you will disappear. It was the first time, 2008 to 2012, gilapha ingane ekhulelwe uma wayo yaphuma i-HIV positive nonina positive bobabili ngabanika umuthi okuthiwa blah 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 and they both tested HIV negative. Angicabangi lokho into engiyaziyo. I've got proof ngisebenzisa nenye laboratories esiliquidatile manje whereby esasenza khona ama clinical trials on viral load si dropper i-viral load by far using only colloidal silver. Not herbs, only colloidal silver with certain ppm engengisho lana. We able to do that. Namhlanje Trump yabaphoci wenza kahle. Yeah, wenza kahle. This is Babu Dokotela Babu says bawujalo ufana umhleja kahle umzulu amancengisa ngesolo futhi ngixoxa. Nginikeza i-black salt bantu bakithi yokuchela emakhaya ngo200 rand. Ngase nganikeza i-black honey ngo2200 akuyona into eyodwa. Ngifuna into eniyiphile nazo akuyona into eyodwa ngoba abantu abaningi ngathi bazophambanisa izinto lana. Bathi hayi babudokotela uthe i-black honey i-black salt is 2000. No, i-black salt usawuto omnyama, i-black honey uju olumnyama akufani nama prices akhona akufani nama modules akhona futhi akufani. Ake sidile nalento le. Let us speak the truth about our youth that is so much armed. I-youth yethu the way is so armed versus to i-youth yaka-Israel. Eyaka-Israel is armed as much as we are armed. But when it comes to mortality and fatality, abadubula umuntu alisasibhama. Abadubula umuntu. And labantu laba abancane esiba akhwayisa izibhamu sithi abazivikele kuphi kubani. Sebezivikele sineyiphi evidence ukuthi lento sithi njoba intsha and uhulumeni evumela ukuthi ingane ezincane kangaka kunengane ezincane ngempela obona ukuthi lo mfana lona ubelungu edansele isina but lokuthi asine sizibone nesibhamu sakhe kade bengatshelwa ngene ukuthi lento it's concealed weapon abamtsheli makumele bemnike ukuthi it's concealed weapon le inhloko ohlela zezibhamu abayiphathayo eziphathwa ngaphandle ezingekho ezikhwameni zakhona uthini umthetho eSouth Africa ngokuphathwa kwesibhamu ebudede ngangaka engisho ukuthi ake siyibukeni le nto intsha idinga uhulumeni ukuthi akenze something that can benefit them without benefiting ibhamu bekungahlulwa yini ukuthi before ube nesibhamu qala ube ne driver's license ucode 14 behlulwa yini lokho before ube nesibhamu have something that validate ukuthi do you really need isibhamu behlulwa yini ukuthi ube ne level 3 kwi first aid before ube nesibhamu kunezinto onazo osuhlula manje ukwenza izinto ezibalekile unaso isibhamu so 18000 kodwa awunayo i driver's license code 14 lento futhi ngabe uqale ngayo ugcine ngayo engisho ukuthi uhulumeni kufuze ukuthi kube khona into ezibekwayo ukuthi uma usunako lokho nalokho you can acquire isibhamu if usunako lokho nalokho you can acquire isibhamu manje ayikho into efunekayo kufanele ngisho matric uthi unayo i-ID usuyifundela unayo ubuzwa ngamaphepha unayo competence but you can't even drive, you can't even spell properly. Ayikho into ongafaka efemini ufike uyenze. Kodwa into onayo isibhamu. Lesibhamu sethu sisi uhulumeni abantu bemvotela uhulumeni beka lapha. Akaphinda ayibhekisise lento okuhlomisa intsha kangaka. Le ntsha izodeploya kuphi? Le ekucaca manje le ntsha ihlome ukuthi manje ready ukuthi singakwazi ukudeploy a small army to attack a small country. Using le ntsha kuphela. Ake senze nokunye singabazali yini esingayisiza ngayo lentsha ikhohle ibhamu zabo bayibeke lapha but kube khona into eyenzekayo iphele into 350 kubheka ukuthi yini engasiza le nto labantu abasha ngoba sinama driving school ahleli lapha nawo awenza ukuthi uhulumeni angenza same funding ayenza ku-NSFAS ukuthi akakufundiswe intsha anyone who's younger than 25 hamba ufunde ukudrive lapha otherwise ngeke azabe eligible ukwenza ukuthi kuke kuthathwe isibhamu sibeke lapha ekhaya sizobona ke lapho intsha yethu isizakala sizobona ke lapho intsha yethu isizakala. This is Babu Dr. Babu, this is Bojalo Mfana Mhlenje ngithi umzulu amancengisi siyabonga.